With acceleration of AI, and agentic process automation, we are also seeing two other metrics that are on top of mind for every CEO and board.
Hello everyone, welcome to MIT SMR India. Today we have with us Ankur Kothari, co-founder and CEO of Automation Anywhere. Hi sir, welcome to MIT SMR India.
Thanks, Vidya, for having me.
Yeah. My first question would be, what patterns are you seeing in the way Indian enterprises are adopting AI agents across sectors?
From our standpoint, what we are seeing is all our customer base, be it from India corporate businesses to GCCs, they are taking and combining AI with automation to create more end-to-end process automation. They are taking some mission critical process and high ROI process and automating them end to end. At the same time, they are taking some functions and few departments and trying to run many of them processes in an autonomous mode or in an assisted mode where people work with these AI assistant or AI agents, where the AI agents and automation does most of the work and involve people, make some recommendation and involve people only when their interventions are needed. So we are seeing that.
Okay. Are there specific industries in India where AI agent adoption is accelerating?
Well, we see that in many industries, but specifically from financial services, healthcare and pharma, manufacturing, retail. These are the places where we see more accelerated adoption,
Yeah.
and seeing it across spectrum. Meaning, we are seeing it in their back office functions like finance, HR, supply chain, IT, to their front office functions like customer service or a customer support or sales.
Yeah. As a person leading the industry and have seen AI agent adoption, which sector did it take you by surprise? I mean, with respect to adoption or use cases?
I think so. Over the years, I've seen financial service, healthcare, manufacturing always leading the way. So that doesn't surprise me. One of the sectors we have seen grow a lot in terms of agentic use cases is oil and gas. They
Okay.
have done the adoption appetite is much significant, and it's worldwide. We have some of the
Yeah.
largest oil and gas players using us worldwide. So we are seeing a huge adoption in there. We are also seeing quite a lot of adoption in the space like pharma. Pharma is much on forefront. Some of
Okay.
the largest pharma, 7 out of top 10, they use us. So they are using us across spectrum. So those are the places I've seen much faster adoption in last 2 years than
Okay.
previously what I've seen.
What kind of business impact have you observed, from deploying AI agents with respect to cost savings, faster turnarounds, or improved CX?
Traditionally, if you look at process automation, which has combined AI and automation for last so many years, uh, one of the metrics that gets always discussed is improve efficiency and improve cost. That gets discussed throughout. Now, with acceleration of AI, agentic AI, and agentic process automation, we are also seeing two other metrics that are on top of mind for every CEO and board. One is reduction of risk,
Okay.
and second is increase of revenue. Increase of revenue by introducing new product and services that were not possible without AI, or by improving customer experiences.
Okay.
So, to give you an example, one of our customer, a law firm, recently kind of launched an agentic tariff advisor,
Okay.
an offering that just was not possible without the AI and automation, the combination. So they create this offering given current tariff situation, and then created a new line of revenue stream just within few weeks of launching it.
Okay. According to you, how has the perception of AI agents evolved among Indian CXOs and operational leaders, in the last 1-2 years?
I've had more meeting with board members in last 1.5 years than I've had it in 5 years. Some want to learn more because they are for fear of missing out.
Okay.
Some want to learn more for fear of getting in. Regardless, everyone understands that their businesses will change, and they can use this as an accelerator or a catalyst for their business. So that appetite does exist. But they are all, everyone is learning. Like, for example, not all AI agents are same.
What are the biggest operational or cultural barriers Indian entrepreneurs are facing in scaling AI agents?
Implementing and coming up, instead of deploying that in silos, because when you keep deploying that in silos, these are good science projects, but it doesn't drive the business forward.
Yeah.
So what I am at least seeing with our customer base is that they don't want siloed projects which are good to have, but it doesn't drive dramatic outcomes. So they are looking to create more strategic projects that are on top of mind of CEOs, that are mission critical and drive disproportionate business value. So that is one thing, I think so we are seeing. And as they accelerate that, the challenge is change management, the whole operating model changes, educating. How do you get talent learning this new technology? Because now it was about, previously these things were only done by IT. Now it's so easy that every business line of business can now use it. And how they not just automate their existing business,
Yeah.
but how they reimagine the new processes that never existed before AI and automation. So I think so. Those are the cultural or mindset shift that they are looking at. But everyone knows that their business is transforming now. They write the business rules
Yeah.
that their industry follows, or they play by the rules that is written by one of their competitors who
Yeah.
accelerates their. That's where they are.
Okay. Where do you see AI agent adoption heading in the next 2-3 years in India? And what is Automation Anywhere's plan with it?
We are very bullish on India. The way when manufacturing, let's say 20% of manufacturing used to happen in China, and when machine came, China said, "I'm the leader in manufacturing." They didn't say, "I'm leader in only manual manufacturing." They adopted those machines,
Yeah.
and now more than 50 to 60% of the goods are getting made there. We see India like that. India can be the capital of AI, putting AI to work with automation, combining these two tech. Because if you see, many of the processes are done out of
Yeah.
India. Be it, obviously, India corporate business has their operations here, but you also have GCCs,
Yeah.
right? That are which has headquarters outside, and then you have a lot of service providers who have their operations here. So from that standpoint, there is a huge opportunity in front of India to adopt this,
Yeah.
become a leader to put AI to work with automation, drive disproportionate business value, and not just kind of automate processes that were done before, but create new process, new offering, new products, and bring it to the market. And frankly, if you ask me, wherever I see when I come to India, I see the growth of GCCs being written. I do believe it is because they are looking to marry talent with technology, and to drive a business outcome that their companies are looking for. So I think so. As we adopt this more,
Yeah.
it can accelerate India to become a capital to put AI to work with automation.